What's going on, guys? We're back. Sorry it's been a while. Listen, this car is giving me too much problems, man. So I got some Tein Flex coilovers I'm gonna put on the car because these coilovers, I'm not sure you can see. Well, I'll take them on and you'll see. The coilovers that are on the car right now, they're seized up, man. And I tried everything. I let it soak in PB Blaster for 2 days straight, spraying them both days. Look at this. The can is empty, spraying nothing in there. And just look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Fucking wrench just snapped right off, man. That thing is not going anywhere. Look at this, both of them. Now, the driver's side, I was able to lift 1/2 inch, but the passenger side is just seized up. So I went and just ordered a whole new set. So these are the Tein Flex, I think they're called. I'll open it up and show you guys. The ones that it has on the car currently are the Tein Basic, like the old school ones. I don't think they even make them anymore. Now the only reason why I'm even switching out the coilovers, or I wanted to adjust the height, is because, listen, the car's too low, man. The car's too low, guys, and I can't get out the freaking garage. Look at this. I have to use these boards here to get out of here. And the reason is because, let me open this up for you. That little dip right there, I can't get out the garage. That dip alone messes me up, man. I don't know if you could be able to tell, but it's just, with that angle, I can't get out. So, putting these new coilovers just in the height, and then we'll see how it looks at the end. All right, be right back. All right, guys, so here we have it. These are the new kit. These are very nice. So these are the what it says there, Tein Flex Z. So these are the front, obviously, and then these are the rears. So I'm not even thinking about putting on the rears today. I'm just gonna focus on the front. And it's very, very simple. I'll show you guys in just a second how simple it is to install these. It'll take you like 15-20 minutes per side, hopefully, or even less. So I'll show you right now. All right, guys, so over here, all we need to do is get these 3 bolts. Where are they? Here's one. What's that one? 2 right over here. You can see that one too. And then the third one up here. Right there. So those 3, and they are 12 millimeter, I believe. Where is my ratchet? Yep, it's a 12 millimeter. So you get those 3 bolts off, right? And then down here, at the stabilizer link, right? Where is it? Right here, okay. Remove this bolt, this nut right here. And that one is a 17 millimeter. You move that and it gives enough leverage to for you to push this down, and then the coilover will come out. All right, guys, so the top 3 nuts of the coilover are off. Well, now we're gonna get to the bottom. And we'll do that real quick. Everything was already loose because I was working on this before, so should be fairly quickly. And there it goes. Okay, so once you get this bad boy out, which is the 17, then we just got to get the screw bolt that goes across the bottom of this coilover strut right here. So get that bad boy out first, then push this one out, and then you'll have the leverage. Okay, so I'll show you in a bit. that's it. Now, little trick, guys. You see this drill right here? This is like your regular Home Depot drill that comes with one of these. Now, I used to work in construction before, so I've had this for a while now. But all you could do, I mean, you could pick one of these up fairly inexpensive now, maybe used somewhere for like 50 bucks. And then you just buy these adapters, also from Home Depot. You see, this is for like a 1/2 inch. Then you got the 3/8 adapter, if it could just focus. No, anyways, you get these adapters, you throw them on the drill, and it makes life so much easier, you know? So, alright guys, as you can see, right? I got this bad boy out. Got the 3 up top off, and then I turn the steering wheel this way to the right, and that should give it enough space to get it out. So let's see if that's true. This would definitely be a lot easier if you had another set of hands. Okay. Something I forgot to mention, guys. Don't forget to take this out, man. Oh, sorry. Whatever, but on the strut, it has this brake line. Make sure to take it out. And then it clips on over here too, this little rubber. Just pull them off, so that way it doesn't get in the way or you don't break anything. All right. Got it. And that's it, guys. We did it. Yeah, come on. All right, guys. So I'm not sure about this height. So I'm just gonna put them on like that and then see what happens. Alright guys, so this side is giving me a little bit of problems here, and what's giving me a problem is, where are you? This bad boy doesn't want to come out. The what is it? This one that I told you guys about. You just push it out. So right now I'm using a 1/2 inch wrench. Oh no, 5. What is this? 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch. Using this on that to just turn it little by little so it can come out. Alright guys, so I finally got it off. You see, now on the other side it was pretty easy because all I did was just turn the steering wheel left and right and it just popped right off. So anyways, now you guys know if you run into any problem with that stabilizer link right there, there's just a 3/4 wrench, and it'll, just back it out little by little and you should be good to go. Alright, so time to get this bad boy off. See, I already removed the brake lines and stuff. I think I got the 12. No, I gotta get the little screw on the side. No, it's off already. So this one's gonna pop right out real quick. All right. Okay guys, a little advice. Make sure you take your time. since I'm over here rushing because the car's been looking like this for about 2 weeks now, right? Up in the air. And I mistakenly put or installed the driver's side coilover on the passenger side. Now, here on the sticker, it'll tell you, can I see it? Yes. Right here it says, let me see if I can zoom in there, R, which stands for right. So this would be passenger side, okay? Right hand side. And then on this one, I don't think you'll be able to tell, but in there it'll say L, which is left side, which would be driver's side. And the way I always remember is like, act like you're sitting in the driver's seat or inside the car. And then of course, your left hand will be that side of the vehicle, and then your right will be that side of the vehicle. All right guys, this is it. Final product as of now. It's a lot higher than before, but you know, I think it looks fine. And it'll definitely clear the front, I hope. Or we'll just have to check and try. But as of now, man, I'm gonna leave this alone. I still got the rear to put on over here. So I'll make another video for that maybe, or attach it to this one. And then we'll see if she clears and she's ready to go. So right now, all I'm missing is my cold packs to come in. And hopefully then after that, she's running 100%, man. Once she's running 100%, take her to the body shop and we're ready to go. Summer's almost here, you know? Ready for the car meets. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. And stick around and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.